What's going on today, guys? We're just going to be doing another little quick installation video. Today what we're going to be doing is replacing the center console on a 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord Coupe. For some reason these things are like notorious for tearing up, so I went ahead and took the liberty of ordering a replacement one off of Amazon. So of course I'll have the link in the description down below for that. It looks like a pretty straightforward, easy installation. So there's just 7 screws. So there's one on either side of the very top where the handle is. And there's 3 across the middle here parallel, and then there's 2 on the hinges right there. So I have the replacement one sitting right here, so I'll go ahead and show you guys that right now. This is the way that it's going to flip up here. So as you can see, there's 2 screw holes there. And then if we get closer there's 3 right across the middle, 1 being in the middle, and then 2 on either side. And then the 2 for the hinges are located down here in the corners. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. Alright, so once we've taken the 7 screws out, this thing just pops right off. And we're ready to put the new one on. Alright, so there goes that. I'm sure you guys could probably hear this thing just pops right into place there, and then all we have to do is put the 7 screws back in. Alright, and just a little tip for you guys, if you pull the armrest all the way forward, it's going to make your life a lot easier. You won't even actually be able to see some of these screws if you don't pull it all the way forward. So this is screw number 1 that we're putting in. I'm just going to do the very middle one first, just because it's going to anchor down the entire platform and make it easier for us to install the other 6 screws. That's pretty much going to wrap it up on today's video, you guys. The installation was pretty easy, pretty straightforward. It shouldn't take any more than about 10 or 15 minutes to get the job done. If this video was helpful and you guys liked it, make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, I'll catch you guys next time.